Welcome back to Bizarre Creatures, the channel passionately dedicated to uncovering the true, raw power and unbelievable, electrifying secrets hidden deep within the astonishing animal kingdom. Today, we embark on a dangerous and captivating expedition into the slow-moving, often murky and persistently oxygen-poor waters that crisscross the vast Amazon and Orinoco River basins of South America. We are here to meet a creature whose very existence challenges conventional biology and embodies pure electrical power. It is the legendary and fearsome electric eel, despite its common name and long, serpentine appearance. The electric eel is scientifically a type of knifefish, yet its shocking, signature ability is far more dramatic and lethal than any simple conventional blade. This highly specialized predator possesses an astonishing 3 pairs of massive, dedicated abdominal organs that collectively occupy nearly 80% of its total body length, making it a living battery pack. These complex electrogenic organs are meticulously composed of thousands upon thousands of stacked electrocytes, which are essentially modified muscle cells that function perfectly like miniature, self-charging biological batteries. When the eel successfully senses nearby prey, its brain instantly sends a powerful neurological signal that precisely synchronizes the discharge of all these thousands of cells, instantly creating one massive, focused current. This incredibly coordinated and simultaneous release of biological power can generate an absolutely astonishing electrical shock, measuring up to 860 volts and packing a potent 1 amp of current. To help put that immense, startling power into frightening perspective, the shock it delivers is over 5 times more powerful than a standard wall socket in the United States and is strong enough to lethally stun a horse or even kill a human being. The primary, most frequent use of this massive high-voltage shock is not reserved for defense, but rather for highly efficient, immediate paralyzing predation within its dark, low-visibility habitat. The powerful electrical shock instantly renders its prey completely helpless, violently collapsing the involuntary muscle control of the victim and thus guaranteeing the eel a quick, certain, and effortless meal. The eel cleverly utilizes 2 distinct types of shock for different purposes: low-voltage pulses for navigating its environment, and extremely high-voltage pulses strictly for stunning prey and for serious defense. The low-voltage pulses emanating from its smaller sacs organ create a continuous, weak electric field that constantly surrounds its body, functioning much like a sophisticated form of biosonar or radar. When a smaller object or fish enters and disturbs the subtle electric field, the resulting change allows the eel to accurately locate, track, and successfully identify the object, even in conditions of absolute darkness. Interestingly, and critically for its survival, the electric eel must deliberately surface every few minutes to breathe atmospheric air, as it is an obligate air breather with a surprisingly poorly developed gill system. The inside of its buccal cavity, or mouth, is densely lined with blood vessels, allowing it to rapidly absorb crucial oxygen directly from the surface air, a necessary adaptation for surviving the common oxygen-poor water below. New, groundbreaking research has recently revealed an even more shocking and sophisticated truth about its hunting. The eel can utilize its focused electric field to remotely and precisely control the actual muscles of its prey. By sending out a precise, targeted pulse that activates the motor neurons of a hidden fish, the eel can force the concealed victim to twitch violently, thereby immediately revealing its exact location in the surrounding mud and water. This taser hunting method, which requires incredible neurological precision, is one of the most sophisticated, precise, and terrifying examples of sensory manipulation observed in the entire animal kingdom. For confronting larger, formidable threats, the eel can employ an advanced defensive technique called curling, strategically wrapping its long body around a predator to deliver a devastating double shock from 2 directions. significantly intensifying the delivered voltage. This extreme defensive behavior is primarily reserved for large, non-edible threats and is an unmistakable biological sign of a serious, high-stakes, life or death defense scenario being deployed. Unsurprisingly, the electric eel stands securely at the absolute top of its food chain. Very few, if any, substantial predators are bold or foolish enough to challenge a creature that is literally a swimming lightning bolt. Its highly specialized skin is covered in thick, protective slime and is heavily insulated internally, which ingeniously prevents the eel from fatally electrocuting itself during its own massive electrical discharge. The sheer dedicated biomass devoted to its electrocytes for fifths of its entire body makes it one of the most specialized and finely biologically engineered organisms currently known on Earth. Indigenous communities inhabiting the Amazon have long been acutely aware of the eel's dangerous power, often relying on specific protective techniques to safely cross rivers where the powerful eels reside. The creature's scientific name, Electrophorus, literally means electricity bearer in ancient Greek, a profound and well-earned title that the species has maintained through millions of years of rigorous evolution. They have the capability to grow up to an impressive 8 feet long and weigh nearly 45 pounds, making them an imposing, powerful, and utterly terrifying presence in the water. The recent discovery of their complex, remote control hunting technique has fundamentally and dramatically altered our conventional view of how animals interact with the physical and neurological world around them. It stands as a profound testament to the power of bioelectrogenesis, a complex natural principle that human scientists and engineers are constantly attempting to mimic and harness in advanced technology. The unique biological ability to generate, store, and instantly discharge such a massive amount of power from internal organic processes remains one of nature's single greatest engineering marvels. The mighty Amazon, which serves as the undisputed home to this creature, is a true and dynamic laboratory of life, constantly yielding new, groundbreaking, and often shocking discoveries to the scientific world. The truly shocking and electrifying existence of the electric eel proves unequivocally that some of nature's specialized biological weapons are far more sophisticated and powerful than anything human engineers can yet invent. What an absolute and unforgettable privilege it is for us to study these bizarre and complex creatures and fully appreciate the immense ingenuity of life they inherently represent. The incredible, electrifying story of the electric eel perfectly embodies the investigative and truth-seeking mission we are dedicated to here at Bizarre Creatures. We aim to consistently bring you the hidden, previously untold stories that typical mainstream nature documentaries often completely miss, focusing instead on the truly unbelievable facts of the wild. If the devastating electrical power of this incredible fish has profoundly shocked your understanding of nature, then you are exactly the dedicated viewer we built this channel for. We commit to releasing brand new episodes every single week, each one diving into the deepest, most unbelievable secrets of a different, remarkable bizarre organism. Our ultimate goal is to fully electrify and expand your knowledge about every single bizarre and fascinating creature that lives on this planet. Do not miss our next shocking revelation. Smash that powerful like button right now to actively support our mission and immediately subscribe to officially join the Bizarre Creatures research team. And finally, tell us in the comments section below, what completely impossible, jaw-dropping creature should we dedicate our full investigation to next?